Talking to the people. Oh my gosh, Daddy, there's more than 2 houses over there.
Always. So they're always home.
Oh, I want to go fishing.
The view over here is great.
Yeah. Here, Jazzy.
There's people waving.
Yeah.
And some members are over here. You can have that one of those as your cabin.
Oh, that's where they keep all the big raft boats.
This school bus is here. This doesn't mean.
Want a cookie? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Is this the little one get one? Yeah, you can have one. Thank you. Yeah, you're right there.
That conductor feller. Hopefully, you seen that conductor feller? He went that way? Good, good, good. Hopefully I won't run into him anytime soon. Well, since I got y'all's attention right now, I think I better put us in some pretty good spirits. I got a few jokes to tell if y'all want to listen.
Yeah.
Y'all want to hear them?
Yeah.
All right, then. First off, what do you call the ghost of a reindeer? Anyone? A caribou. Get it? Caribou. Let's see. What do you get when you mix a vampire with a snowman? Frostbites. Oh boy, that one cracks me up every time. Speaking of cracking up, what does a gingerbread use when he loses his legs? Candy canes. And my favorite one of them all, what does Frosty's girlfriend do when she's mad at him? She gives him the cold shoulder. Now, if you see the conductor, tell him I went that away.
That fork in the river is where I would throw my fishing lure, because the big fish in this river want to eat the small fish coming out of that river. So you throw your lure in there to get a big fish.
Every time I go to record, you put your phone on. You want to take a picture? You want to take a picture? Hey, will you grab him?
I'll get one with y'all, and then you get one with us.
You got it. You got it.
Okay.
What am I doing?
Okay.
Who's taking? You got a picture here?
And if you ever